Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a yes or no drop-down list in Excel in just a few quick steps. I'll be showing this on Windows. First, click on the cell where you want the yes-no drop-down to appear. You can also select multiple cells or an entire range if you want the drop-down in several places at once. The selected cells will be highlighted with a border. Next, click the Data tab at the top of the window in the ribbon. It's usually between the Insert and Review tabs. Once you click it, the Data ribbon group appears with various data tools. Now click the Data Validation button. You'll find it in the Data Tools section. It's the icon that looks like two rectangles with a green check mark and a red circle. When you click it, the Data Validation dialog box opens. You'll see three tabs at the top: Settings, Input Message, and Error Alert. In the Settings tab, click the Allow drop-down menu near the top. Select List from the options. When you do this, a source field appears below the Allow drop-down. In the source text box, type yes, no without quotation marks. Make sure you separate the two options with a comma. The text yes, no should now appear in the source field. Just below the source field, you'll see two checkboxes, Ignore Blank and In Cell Dropdown. Make sure both of these have check marks. The Ignore Blank option allows empty cells without triggering an error, and In Cell Dropdown makes the arrow appear so users can click to select. Finally, click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. The dialog closes, and you'll now see a small drop-down arrow on the right side of the selected cell or cells. To use your drop-down, just click the arrow and select yes or no. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Alt-down arrow to open the list, then use the arrow keys and enter to select. If you try to type anything else, Excel will reject it and show an error. To copy the drop-down to other cells, select the cell with the drop-down, press Ctrl-C, select your target cells, then press Ctrl-V. If you need to edit the drop-down values later, just select a cell with the drop-down, go back to Data, then Data Validation, and modify the source field. That's the full process. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.